Question number 9th of exercise 10.2. Now in the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. So let us draw the figure first of all. In the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are the two parallel tangents. So, these are the two parallel tangents. Xy touching the circle at P and x dash y dash touching the circle at Q. This is the center O and this is the diameter. PQ is the diameter. Now there is another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A like this, xy at A and x dash y dash at B, and point of contact is C. Now you have to prove that angle AOB, just join these lines, then we can see angle AOB. This angle is 90 degree. We have to prove this. So first of all, let us join this also, this center and the point of contact. So center से point of contacts are all 90 degrees, but we don't require that. Okay, so now one by one, what we will do, we will prove the congruency in these two triangles, and then we will prove the congruency in these two triangles one by one. Okay, so first one I will take in triangle this OPA and triangle this one OCA. OPA and OCA, what are the things which are equal? So you can see here, in this triangle and this triangle, OA is common. OA is equals to OA common. Then AP is equals to AC. Tangents from A, tangents from point A, तो ये इक्वल होंगे, and OP is equals to OC radii. So by SSS congruency, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA, and since these two triangles are congruent, these two triangles, so this angle will be equal to this one by CPCT. So angle POA is equals to angle COA is equals to X. These two are equal. I am taking them as X. Let it be first equation, and reason is by CPCT. Similarly, you have to do this for the next two triangles, these purple tick wale triangles. So we will take first in triangle BOQ and triangle BOC. Same, OQ is equals to OC radii of the same circle. OB is equals to OB common, and BQ is equals to BC, tangents from B point. Because we have learned this theorem that in a circle, if the two tangents are drawn from the same point, then the length of these two tangents are equal. That's why. So by SSS again, these two triangles will be congruent. By SSS congruency, triangle BOQ is congruent to triangle BOC. And since these two triangles are congruent, so these angles will be equal. By CPCT, let it be Y, because these are equal. So angle BOQ will be equal to angle BOC is equals to Y. We are taking by CPCT. Let it be second equation. By CPCT. Okay. Now since you all know PQ is the diameter, PQ is the straight line, so angle POQ, since it is a straight line, so angle POQ will be 180 degree, 180, because it is a straight line. So angle POQ is equals to 180 degree. Angle POQ can be written as angle POQ can be written as angle POA, this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle, right? So angle POQ can be written as angle POA plus angle COA plus angle BOQ plus angle COQ is equals to 180 degree. Now POA and COA are equal from equation 1, and these are x. So we'll put x plus x, that is 2x, plus BOQ and COQ are y, so they are equal. So we can put y plus y, that is 2y, is equals to 180 degree. So x plus y is equals to x plus y is equals to 90 degree, and x plus y you can say angle AOB is equals to 90 degree, hence proved.